Hey everyone, and welcome to our deep dive into AI and events. We've got a mountain of articles and research you sent, and it's clear that AI is making some serious waves in the event world.
Yeah, what's really fascinating is how AI is changing even the smallest details of event planning.
hmm
It's not just about replacing humans, it's about making everything we do smarter and smoother.
Totally. One thing that jumped out at me was how AI is changing the game for content creation and marketing. Imagine, like, you're swamped and need to create an amazing email campaign to promote your next event.
Instead of pulling an all-nighter, AI can take care of that. It can create entire email campaigns, social media posts, even video scripts. And the coolest part is, it's not generic stuff.
So no more cookie cutter emails.
Nope. AI can analyze your audience and create personalized messages that hit the mark.
Whoa, so we could have AI create targeted messages for, say, VIP attendees or first-time attendees.
Exactly. It can even personalize content within the event itself. Instead of those generic agendas, you can offer each attendee a personalized schedule based on their interests, like suggesting specific sessions or networking opportunities.
Okay, that's mind-blowing. What about venue hunting? I've spent countless hours searching online, comparing specs. Can AI really help with that too?
Absolutely. Think of AI as your super-powered research assistant for venues. It can analyze tons of data about potential locations, considering capacity, location, amenities, even sustainability. It can even analyze reviews to give you a sense of the venue's vibe.
Wow, it's like having a personal venue scout who knows exactly what I need.
And it doesn't stop there. AI can also help you find the perfect speakers. Say you're organizing a tech conference and you need a keynote speaker on AI ethics.
Yeah, I can see how that would be a tough search.
Instead of spending hours searching online, you could use an AI tool to analyze thousands of potential speakers based on their expertise, speaking style, and audience feedback.
So we're talking AI that can handle content creation, marketing, venues, and even speaker selection. What's left for us humans to do?
That's the key, right? AI is powerful, but it's not about replacing human creativity and expertise. It's about augmenting our abilities,
Yeah.
freeing us up to focus on things that make events truly special.
I love that. So AI is like our super efficient assistant, handling the tedious tasks so we can focus on the big picture and the human touch. But realistically, there are tons of other tasks we have to juggle. Scheduling meetings, emails, processing attendee feedback. Can AI help with those too?
Absolutely. One of the biggest benefits of AI is its ability to automate those repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Let's say you just finished a big conference. In the past, you might have spent weeks sifting through feedback forms.
Oh, yeah, I know that feeling.
With AI, you can process those forms in minutes, identifying key trends and insights that can inform your planning for future events.
Wow, it's like having a data analyst on speed dial. This is pretty powerful stuff. But let's talk about the specific AI tools out there. I know we've talked about ChatGPT a lot, but there must be others.
Oh, there's a whole ecosystem of AI
Yeah.
tools. Let's say you're planning an event and you need to stay up to date on maybe new venue design concepts. Bard, developed by Google, is great for that. It's connected to the internet, so it pulls real-time information.
So it's like a super informed research assistant who's plugged into the latest happenings. What about when we're creating marketing materials? Is there a tool that can help us write amazing copy?
Definitely. If you're aiming for high-quality marketing materials, Jasper's a great option. It's designed for crafting top-notch business content, from taglines to website copy, even engaging social media posts.
So it's like having a professional copywriter on call, ready to whip up some magic whenever you need it. But with all this AI-generated content, how can we be sure the information is accurate? Is there anything that prioritizes, well, the truth?
There is. Claude is designed with a focus on accuracy, minimizing those alternative facts that can slip through. It's perfect if you want to be extra confident that the information you're presenting at your events is solid and trustworthy.
I love that. It's like having a fact checker built into our AI toolkit. What about for those of us who are constantly on the go planning events on the fly? Is there a tool for that?
You're in luck. ChatSonic is perfect for on-the-go planning. It offers voice command capabilities and internet connectivity so you can plan your event just by talking to your device.
Wow, so many options. Are there any other AI-powered tools we should know about?
Don't underestimate the power of AI-powered search engines like Neva AI, UChat, and Perplexity. They can give you quick, concise, up-to-date info on anything, making research a breeze.
And of course, there's Bing Chat, Microsoft's integration of ChatGPT right into their search engine. Talk about accessibility.
Exactly. It's like having an AI expert built right into your everyday tools.
Now, this one sounds particularly cool. Character AI. What's the deal with that?
This is where things get futuristic. Character AI lets you create conversational chatbots. Imagine a chatbot that answers attendee questions, offers recommendations, or provides an engaging way to interact with the event.
So, a chatbot that could greet attendees, answer questions about the venue, or even help them navigate the schedule.
Exactly. And it can learn from each interaction, becoming more helpful and personalized throughout the event. The possibilities are pretty much endless.
This is all so exciting, but before we get too carried away, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, right? And like any tool, it needs to be used wisely and responsibly.
Absolutely. It's crucial to maintain human oversight and make sure AI aligns with our values and goals.
So it's not about blindly trusting AI, but using our judgment and expertise to enhance our events, not let them be dictated by AI.
Right. AI can be an incredible partner in creating unforgettable experiences, but we humans are still calling the shots.
I'm glad you said that. It's about finding that balance.
Definitely. And now, before we move on to specific applications of AI in event planning, let's quickly recap three core uses for us event professionals: ideation, acceleration, and adaptation.
Okay, I like a good framework. Break it down for us.
First up, ideation. AI can be your brainstorming buddy. Need a catchy event name or some session topic ideas? AI can help generate those creative sparks.
Like a built-in idea generator.
Next, acceleration. AI can speed up the creation of marketing materials, emails, invitations, those reports that take forever, you name it.
Time is money, especially in events.
Right. And finally, adaptation. AI can tailor content for different audiences, making sure your message resonates with each group, whether it's VIPs, sponsors, or first-time attendees.
We talked about that earlier with personalized emails. AI can analyze data about our attendees and create content that speaks directly to them.
Precisely. And it goes beyond content. AI can help you adapt the entire event experience, creating personalized journeys for everyone.
Okay, so AI can help us with ideation, acceleration, and adaptation. Those are powerful capabilities. Now I'm even more curious to see how AI can be applied to the different stages of event planning.
That's where things get really interesting. Let's start with the often dreaded budget and financial planning.
All right, let's talk money. How can AI help us create realistic budgets, track expenses, and make sure we're getting the most bang for our buck?
Creating a detailed budget that covers everything can be so time-consuming. AI can draft budget proposals tailored to your event, considering the number of attendees, the venue, catering, even marketing costs.
So instead of starting from scratch, we can have AI generate a draft that we can then refine.
Exactly. And it goes beyond just a basic budget. AI can analyze your spending patterns from past events and suggest ways to optimize costs, maybe a more cost-effective catering option or a way to negotiate a better rate with the venue.
Like a financial advisor in our pocket, helping us make smarter decisions. That could be a game changer.
And here's the best part. AI can help predict the return on investment, or ROI, for different spending scenarios. Imagine showing your stakeholders how each budget decision will impact the overall success of the event.
That's huge. Being able to justify our decisions with data-driven ROI predictions could make a world of difference. Okay, so AI can help us create budgets, optimize spending, and even predict ROI. What's next?
Finding the perfect venue can be a real pain point, but AI can make that process so much easier.
Okay, tell me more. How can AI change how we search for venues?
Remember all those hours spent scouring venue websites, comparing floor plans? AI can analyze a huge database of venues and destinations, considering everything: capacity, location, accessibility, amenities, your budget, all of it.
So we give AI our wish list, and it gives us a curated list of potential venues.
Exactly, and it goes beyond just basic criteria. AI can even factor in things like the carbon footprint of different destinations, helping you make more sustainable choices.
That's amazing. It's like having a venue scout who not only finds what we need, but also helps us make responsible choices. But finding the right venue is just one piece of the puzzle.
Yeah.
What about event marketing? It seems like there's a lot of potential for AI there.
You're right, AI can be a total game changer for event marketing. It can help with everything from generating creative branding to writing copy that converts.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What kind of branding elements can AI help us create?
Well, it can help come up with catchy event names, taglines that capture the essence of your event, and even eye-catching logos. The best part is AI can analyze your target audience and suggest branding that will resonate with them, making sure your event stands out.
It's like having a brainstorming session with a team of experts. And what about writing the actual marketing copy? Can AI really do that?
Definitely. AI can generate website copy, write persuasive emails, craft engaging social media posts, even create video scripts that tell your event story. And it can do all of this while optimizing your content for search engines so people can easily find your event online.
So AI can help us reach more people online. That's essential these days.
Absolutely. Now, let's not forget about sponsorships and partnerships. They're often crucial for making events happen.
Oh, yes, the lifeblood of so many events. How can AI help us secure sponsorships and partnerships?
Instead of sending out generic proposals, we can use AI to create personalized pitches that highlight the specific benefits for each potential sponsor. AI can analyze their target audience, their goals, even their past sponsorships, to craft proposals that are more likely to grab their attention.
So it's like a matchmaking service for sponsors and events.
Exactly. It's about finding the perfect match and creating win-win partnerships. And it goes beyond just finding sponsors. AI can even suggest creative activation ideas that go beyond the typical banner ads. We're talking unique experiences that engage attendees and help sponsors achieve their goals in a memorable way.
That's what it's all about, creating authentic experiences that provide real value. Okay, we've covered a lot. Content, venues, sponsorships. What's next on our AI-powered event planning journey?
Let's dive into event planning and logistics, those details that can make or break an event.
Oh, yes, the logistical nightmares that keep us up at night. Tell me AI can help us stay organized and ahead of potential disasters.
It absolutely can. AI can create those detailed itineraries and checklists that keep everyone on the same page. It can help you plan everything, from VIP schedules and transportation to staff assignments and catering orders.
So it's like a super efficient virtual assistant keeping track of all the moving parts.
Exactly. And it goes beyond just basic scheduling. AI can even suggest innovative catering options tailored to your attendees' dietary needs and preferences.
Oh, that's a great point. Food is such a big part of the event experience, and AI can help ensure that everyone feels well fed and happy. No more generic buffets or last minute scrambling for dietary requests.
It can also streamline vendor coordination, creating agreements and templates that make sure everyone's working towards the same goals.
So, no more endless emails and phone calls. AI can be our communication hero. But what about those unexpected things that pop up no matter how well we plan?
That's where AI's crisis management capabilities come in. It can help you develop contingency plans for emergencies, from weather disruptions and tech glitches to speaker cancellations or even health crises.
So, we can use AI to brainstorm potential problems and come up with solutions in advance, like backup speakers or communication plans.
Exactly. And if something does go wrong, AI-powered chatbots can provide real-time support to attendees, answering their questions and offering assistance.
That's amazing. So even if something unexpected happens, we can use AI to communicate and provide support, minimizing stress for everyone. Okay, so AI can help us with logistics, scheduling, even crisis management. What about the content of the event itself?
That's where AI's content creation and management abilities really shine.
Okay, I'm ready to hear how AI can help us create content that will captivate our attendees and leave a lasting impression.
AI can help with every stage of content development, from generating session outlines and speaker talking points to writing speaker bios and creating visually appealing presentations.
So we can use AI to brainstorm session topics, develop presentations, and make sure our speakers have everything they need.
Precisely. It can also help develop interactive tools like live polls and Q&A platforms to make sessions more dynamic.
That's a great point. We need to think beyond traditional lectures and use technology to make things more interactive. What about inclusivity and accessibility?
That's where AI's translation and accessibility features come in. AI can translate your event materials into multiple languages, making them accessible to a global audience.
That's fantastic. AI can help us break down language barriers and create a more inclusive experience for everyone.
And it can provide real-time captioning for presentations, ensuring everyone can follow along, regardless of their hearing abilities.
That's so important. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels welcome and able to fully participate.
AI can even help craft messaging that's sensitive to the needs of diverse audiences, ensuring your communication is inclusive and respectful of everyone.
Okay, we've covered so much. Content creation, marketing, venue sourcing, logistics, crisis management. But we still need to keep these attendees engaged throughout the event and beyond, right?
That's where AI's attendee engagement features come in. AI can help create personalized experiences that keep attendees excited and coming back for more.
Okay, I'm all ears. Tell me more about how AI can help us create those memorable experiences.
One of the most exciting things is personalized recommendations. Remember those generic agendas. With AI, each attendee can receive a personalized schedule with suggestions for sessions, networking, even exhibitor booths tailored to their interests.
So instead of wandering around aimlessly, attendees can be guided to the experiences they'll love. It's like a personal concierge for each attendee.
Exactly. AI can analyze their profiles, track their behavior, even predict their needs. You can create truly personalized experiences.
That's awesome. It's all about making attendees feel valued and understood. But let's not forget about the importance of human connection, especially at events where networking is key.
That's where AI-powered matchmaking comes in. Imagine a conference with thousands of attendees. AI can analyze their profiles and suggest connections based on shared interests or goals.
So instead of leaving networking to chance, we can use AI to help people make valuable connections.
Exactly. AI can bring people together based on shared interests, sparking conversations that can lead to lasting connections.
Okay, so we've got personalized recommendations and matchmaking, both of which can enhance the experience during the event. But what about after the event is over?
That's where AI's post-event engagement features come in. AI can help you stay top of mind, nurturing relationships and turning attendees into advocates.
Okay, how can AI help us create a post-event experience that will keep attendees engaged?
Well, instead of generic thank you emails, AI can create personalized messages tailored to each attendee's experience. We can thank them for specific sessions, highlight key takeaways, and suggest future events that align with their interests.
So it's about making those personal connections even after the event is over.
Exactly. And AI can analyze feedback surveys to give you insights for future events.
Data is gold, and AI can help us mine it for valuable insights.
Precisely. It can analyze feedback from surveys, social media, and identify trends that we might miss.
So AI can help us understand what attendees loved, what could be improved, and what they're looking for in the future.
Now let's fast forward to post-event data analysis. The event's over, we've gathered all this data. What's next?
Okay, the event is over, and we've got all this data. Now what?
AI can help you make sense of it all. It can analyze registration patterns and predict attendance trends for future events, helping you make better decisions about venue capacity, event formats, and pricing.
So we can use AI to make smarter decisions about planning and marketing our future events.
Exactly. And AI can help compile those comprehensive event reports that are essential for showcasing the impact of your events. It can analyze data, identify key trends, and generate visually appealing reports.
Those reports are so important for showing the value of what we do. AI can be a real help with that. Okay, we've explored so many ways AI can transform event planning, but I'm eager to hear more about the specific tools and how they're being used in the real world.
Let's get specific. We've talked about generative AI, like ChatGPT, which is great for creating content.
Right, ChatGPT is great for drafting content, but what about other types of AI? Are there tools designed for specific event planning needs?
Definitely. Predictive AI is another powerful tool. It's used to analyze data and make predictions, like recommending sessions to attendees based on their interests, or optimizing matchmaking to help people connect.
So predictive AI is all about personalizing the attendee experience.
Exactly. And then there are specialized event tools designed to address specific challenges, like streamlining registration, optimizing logistics, or enhancing attendee engagement.
Okay, give me some examples.
One great example is Grip, which uses AI to enhance networking. It analyzes attendee profiles and suggests connections based on shared interests, making it easier for attendees to find valuable connections.
So it's like a virtual matchmaker for events, helping people make the most of their networking opportunities. What other tools are out there?
Another great tool is Singulate, which uses AI to personalize marketing messages. Imagine sending targeted emails to attendees based on their interests, past behavior, or even social media engagement.
That's fantastic. Personalized marketing is so much more effective. AI can help us deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. But these are just a few examples. Are there any real-world success stories that demonstrate how these tools are being used effectively?
Definitely. Tons of event professionals are using AI to elevate their events. For example, one event organizer used generative AI to create personalized email campaigns, and they saw a huge increase in registrations.
So they used AI to write email messages that really resonated with their audience.
Exactly. Another event used predictive AI to recommend sessions to attendees. Instead of having to sift through a huge schedule, attendees received personalized agendas with sessions tailored to their interests.
Did it work?
It did. Attendees felt more engaged and satisfied because they were attending sessions that were relevant to them. They felt understood, like the event was truly designed for them.
That's amazing. AI can really make a difference in attendee satisfaction. What other success stories have you seen?
Another event used AI-powered matchmaking to help attendees network. They understood that networking is crucial, but leaving it to chance could lead to missed opportunities. They used AI to analyze attendee profiles and suggest connections based on shared interests and goals.
So they used AI to take the guesswork out of networking and helped attendees make valuable connections.
Exactly. And attendees loved it. They reported making more connections and feeling more satisfied with the networking opportunities. They felt like they had a secret weapon helping them find the right people.
These examples show how transformative AI can be for events. It's not just about efficiency, it's about creating personalized, engaging experiences that attendees love.
They do. AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's here, and it's accessible. We can use it to enhance our work and create amazing experiences.
So what does this mean for us event professionals? Where do we go from here?
I think the key takeaway is that AI is an incredible opportunity. It can streamline our work, boost our creativity, and help us create those personalized, engaging experiences that attendees crave.
But it's not about replacing us humans, is it? We're not just going to hand over the reins to robots.
Exactly. AI is a tool, and it's most effective when used strategically by skilled professionals. It's about finding that balance where AI and human expertise work together to create something truly special.
So we need to embrace AI, learn to use it effectively, and focus on how it can enhance our own expertise and creativity. It's about becoming AI-powered event professionals.
Precisely. The future of events is collaborative, with AI and humans working together to create something amazing.
I love that. It's not AI versus humans. It's AI and humans working together to take events to a whole new level.
Exactly. And that's what makes this such an exciting time to be in the events industry. We have this incredible opportunity to use AI to create events that are more engaging, personalized, and impactful than ever before.
I'm totally with you on that. All right, listeners, we've covered a lot in this first part of our deep dive into AI and events. We've explored how AI is changing the game for content creation, venue sourcing, automation, personalization, and so much more. But there's still much more to explore.
In part two, we'll get even more practical with tips and techniques for implementing AI in your event planning process. We'll also talk about some potential challenges so you can approach this technology with a balanced perspective.
So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more insights and inspiration to help you leverage the power of AI and take your events to the next level.
Welcome back to your AI in Events Deep Dive. I'm buzzing with ideas after that first part. Now let's get into how to actually use AI to plan events. That's the spirit. We've talked about the potential, so let's turn that potential into action. You don't have to become an AI expert overnight.
That's good to hear. So where should we focus our energy?
Think about those parts of planning that are just tedious, the ones you wish had a faster way. Those are prime candidates for AI. Editing speaker photos, writing social media captions that don't make you cringe. AI can handle it.
Okay, pinpoint the pain points. Then what?
Uh.
Google AI for event planning and hope for the best.
Not quite. But you're right about that hope for the best feeling. Think of AI as a co-pilot, even a muse. It can help you with project management, those tedious workflows, and make brainstorming way more productive.
I like that. AI as our creative partner. But not everyone has a huge budget for fancy AI tools. What about those of us working with limited resources?
That's what's so exciting about AI. There are tons of free or affordable tools. You can experiment and see real benefits without breaking the bank.
Okay, that's music to my ears. Any recommendations for budget-friendly options?
ChatGPT's free version is surprisingly powerful, and AI-powered search engines like Neva AI and UChat are also free. They can help you find info faster and more accurately than traditional search.
So we can test the AI waters without a huge financial commitment. That helps. But it still feels daunting. Any advice for those of us who aren't tech savvy?
Don't feel like you have to do it alone. There are so many resources, tutorials, webinars, even communities of event pros who are already using AI. You can lean on those experts.
That's good to know. Okay, let's talk about personalization. AI seems like it could take personalized attendee experiences to a whole new level.
It's not just potential, it's already happening. Imagine tailoring every aspect of the event. Sessions, networking, even the food. AI can analyze their data, track their behavior, even predict their needs.
Okay, now you've got my attention. But let's talk about potential downsides. AI is powerful, but can we really trust it? What about accuracy and bias?
You're right to be cautious. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be misused. One big challenge is making sure AI-generated content is accurate. Those models are trained on huge data sets, which can reflect biases or be incomplete.
So we can't just trust everything AI produces. We have to be critical thinkers, check the facts, and watch out for those biases.
Exactly. And remember, AI isn't magic. It can't solve every problem or replace human creativity and intuition. The best events will always blend AI with that human touch.
So it's about finding that balance, using AI strengths while keeping our own expertise and that human connection that makes events special. Okay, I'm convinced. I'm ready to start using AI. What are some tactical tips? How do I actually make it work?
Start small. Don't try to change everything overnight. Choose one or two areas where AI can make a big difference. Maybe it's social media scheduling or brainstorming session topics.
Pick our battles, focus where AI can be most helpful. Got it. What else?
Be clear about your goals. What do you want to achieve? Save time. Increase efficiency. Boost engagement. Your why will guide you to the right tools and help you measure success.
Makes sense. Once we have our goals and areas figured out, should we just dive in?
Don't be afraid to experiment. The AI world is constantly changing, so be open to trying new things. What works for one event might not work for another, so it's about finding what fits your style and goals.
Got it. Experiment, stay curious. But can you give us some concrete examples of how to use AI in different planning stages? I want to see it in action.
Absolutely. Let's start with event marketing, where AI is already making a big impact. We talked about personalizing emails and social media.
Right, using AI to make sure our messages resonate with the right people.
Exactly. But it goes beyond that. AI can also help with SEO, making sure people can find your event online. It can analyze your website and give suggestions to improve your ranking and search results.
So AI can help us get noticed in the digital world. I like it. What about event logistics, all those behind-the-scenes tasks?
AI can streamline so much of that, from choosing a venue to managing registration. Remember those AI-powered venue tools? They analyze tons of data about potential venues to find the perfect match.
Like a virtual venue scout.
And once you've got the venue, AI can streamline registration. Think about automating tasks like collecting info, payments, and generating badges.
That would be a huge time saver.
And there's more. AI can even help manage logistics during the event. Attendee flow, tracking attendance, providing real-time support. You can instantly see what's working, any bottlenecks, and who needs help.
So we can use AI to keep things running smoothly on the day of the event.
Exactly. Now let's talk about content creation. We discussed how AI can help brainstorm, write copy, and create presentations.
Right, but AI isn't replacing human creativity, is it? We still need our own perspective and storytelling skills.
Absolutely. AI is a collaborator, not a competitor. It can help us generate ideas, but we add the personal touch and make sure the content reflects our brand.
It's about combining AI and human ingenuity.
Exactly. There are some fantastic tools out there to take your content further. One is Jasper, an AI writing assistant that can help you with everything from blog posts to website copy to scripts.
We talked about Jasper earlier. How can it help with events specifically?
Imagine you're struggling to write a blog post about your event or need a catchy social media caption. Jasper can help you generate quality content really quickly.
It's like having a team of writers ready to help. That would be amazing for those of us who are always fighting deadlines.
Exactly. And it's super user-friendly. You don't have to be a tech expert to use it.
That's good to hear. Are there other AI writing tools out there?
Another popular option is copy.ai. It's similar to Jasper. The important thing is to try them out and see what works best for you.
Okay, I'm convinced about AI for content. What about attendee engagement? How do we actually create those personalized experiences we've been talking about?
Personalized recommendations are one of the most exciting ways to use AI. Remember those generic event agendas. With AI, each attendee gets a personalized schedule with recommendations tailored to their interests.
It's like having a personal guide for each attendee, helping them make the most of the event.
Exactly. And there are tools for that. One I like is Grip. It analyzes attendee data and suggests relevant connections, sessions, and exhibitors.
So we can guide attendees to the right people and experiences instead of hoping they stumble upon them.
Exactly. Another great tool is Bizibo. It offers a bunch of AI features like recommendations, networking tools, and event analytics. It's a one-stop shop for AI-powered event management.
So we can personalize the whole attendee journey, from pre-event emails to post-event follow-ups. What about post-event engagement? The event might be over, but our relationship with attendees shouldn't be.
That's where AI helps you stay connected and turn attendees into loyal fans.
Okay, tell me more. How can we use AI to keep attendees engaged after the event is over?
We can use AI to send personalized thank you emails that go beyond just saying thanks for coming. We can highlight specific sessions they attended, share key takeaways relevant to their goals, and suggest other events they might be interested in.
So those personalized touches can help build lasting relationships. What other strategies can we use?
AI can analyze attendee feedback, giving us insights to improve future events. We can use it to analyze surveys, social media, and other sources looking for trends we might miss on our own.
AI can be our data analyst, helping us make our events even better.
Exactly. And we can personalize our follow-up communication based on their interests and feedback, keeping them engaged with our brand.
So AI can keep the conversation going even after the event is over. This is all amazing, but we need to be realistic. What are some potential pitfalls of using AI for events?
You're right, AI is powerful, but we need to use it responsibly. One big concern is bias in the algorithms. If the data used to train the AI is biased, the results will be biased too.
So we need to make sure that the data is diverse and representative. What else should we be careful about?
Data privacy is crucial. As we gather more data about attendees, we have to be responsible and transparent. We need to tell them what we're collecting, why and how we're using it, and we need to give them control over their data.
Data privacy is so important. We need to be careful and respectful with attendee data. What other potential problems are there?
Another challenge is making sure AI doesn't worsen existing inequalities. If we only use AI for things like matchmaking, we might accidentally create echo chambers where people only interact with others who are similar to them.
That's a really good point. We have to use AI to promote inclusivity and diversity, making sure everyone has equal opportunities to connect and learn.
Exactly. AI should help us create more equitable and inclusive events.
Okay, we've talked about practical ways to use AI for events and some things to watch out for, but the world of AI is constantly changing. What does the future hold for AI and events?
One exciting trend is that AI tools are becoming more and more sophisticated. We're moving beyond simple automation to AI that can understand and respond to human needs and emotions.
So AI could not only create a personalized schedule, but could also sense when an attendee needs help and proactively offer assistance.
Exactly. AI could anticipate our needs and help us create those truly special event moments.
That sounds incredible. But as AI gets more advanced, event professionals will need to adapt. What skills will be essential for success in the future?
A growth mindset is key. Event pros who embrace change, experiment, and keep learning will thrive.
So it's not just about learning specific tools, but about being adaptable and open to new things.
Exactly. And creativity will be even more important. As AI handles routine tasks, we'll have more time to focus on the strategic and creative parts of our jobs.
So we'll need to use our creativity to design unique, engaging experiences that AI can't replicate.
Precisely. And data literacy will be essential. We'll need to understand the data we're collecting, get insights from it, and use it to make good decisions.
So we need to be able to find the stories hidden in the data.
Exactly. And finally, emotional intelligence will be more important than ever. Even with advanced AI, it's our ability to connect with people and understand their emotions that will make a difference.
So even in this high-tech world, it's still those human connections that matter most.
I agree. The future of events is all about combining human creativity and AI innovation.
This has given me a lot to think about. I'm ready to start experimenting with AI and see what it can do for my events.
That's great. Stay curious, experiment, and keep learning. There's so much potential.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We hope you're feeling inspired to explore AI and events.
Keep innovating, keep connecting, and keep creating those amazing experiences.
Welcome back to the final part of your AI and events deep dive. We've covered a lot of ground, from the potential of AI to practical tips and even ethical considerations. Now I'm ready to take all this and put it into action.
That's the spirit. We've laid the groundwork. Now it's time to empower you to start using AI in your events.
I know, but I'll be honest, I'm still a little hesitant. Any advice for those of us who feel a bit intimidated by all this new tech?
You don't have to be a tech whiz. Lots of AI tools are designed to be user-friendly. It's like learning a new app. It might seem tricky at first, but you get the hang of it.
Okay, that's reassuring. So, where should we begin? What are some things we can do today to start using AI?
Start with those tasks you really dislike, the ones that feel like a chore. Those are perfect for AI. Maybe it's scheduling meetings, writing social media posts, or creating those long reports.
Oh yeah, those are definitely not my favorite things. What do we do once we've figured out which tasks to tackle?
Look for AI tools that can help you with those specific things. For example, if you're always scheduling meetings, try a tool like Calendly. It connects to your calendar so people can book meetings without all the back and forth emails.
That sounds amazing. What about social media? I always struggle to come up with good content.
AI can help. Platforms like Hootsuite can help you schedule posts, track engagement, and even get content ideas. Or you could try an AI writing assistant for captions and tweets.
Okay, I'm starting to see how this could work. AI could free up our time so we can focus on the strategic, creative parts of our job. But what about content creation in general? We've talked about Jasper and Copy.ai, but how can we use those for events specifically?
Imagine you're putting together a conference and need to write speaker bios. Instead of staring at a blank page, you could use Jasper or Copy.ai to create first drafts based on each speaker's info.
So it's like having a team of writers working for us.
Exactly. And remember, you're still in control. You can use those drafts as a starting point and make them your own.
It's all about that balance between AI and human creativity. Let's talk about personalization, one of the most exciting parts of using AI for events. How do we actually make that happen?
A simple way to start is by segmenting your email lists. Most platforms let you divide your audience based on things like demographics, interests, or what they've done in the past.
So we can create emails that are more relevant to each group. That makes sense.
Exactly. And it's not just email. You can personalize your event website too. Tools like Personalize can show different content to different visitors based on their interests.
So someone who cares about sustainability might see information about your event's green initiatives. That's pretty cool.
And it gets even cooler when you start personalizing the entire event experience. Think about using AI to create personalized schedules, suggesting specific sessions or networking events, even recommending restaurants nearby based on what each person likes.
Wow, that's really taking it to the next level. But with all this talk about personalization and using data, we have to talk about data privacy. It's so important to handle that responsibly.
Absolutely. Data privacy is key. We have to be transparent with our attendees, telling them what data we collect, why, and how we use it.
And we need to give them control over their data, right?
Exactly. It's all about finding that balance between using data to create a great experience and making sure people feel comfortable and in control.
Okay, I'm feeling more confident about using AI for events. As we wrap up this deep dive, what do you think the future holds for AI in the event world? Any trends we should be watching?
One exciting trend is that AI tools are getting smarter all the time. We're moving past simple automation to AI that can understand and respond to human emotions.
So AI could not only create my schedule, but could also sense if I'm feeling overwhelmed and suggest a break or a different activity.
Exactly. We're moving toward AI that can anticipate our needs and create those truly special event moments.
That's amazing. It sounds like event professionals will need new skills to keep up. What will those be?
Having a growth mindset is essential. Event pros who are willing to embrace change, try new things, and keep learning will do great.
So it's more than just learning specific tools. It's about being adaptable and open to new ideas.
Exactly. And creativity will be even more important. AI will handle the routine stuff, so we'll have more time to focus on the creative parts of our jobs.
We'll need to use our creativity to design those one-of-a-kind experiences that AI can't create.
Precisely. Data literacy will be important too. We need to be able to make sense of all the data we're collecting and use it to make smart choices.
So we need to become data experts.
In a way, yes.
Uh,
And finally, don't underestimate emotional intelligence. Even with advanced AI, our ability to connect with people and understand their feelings is what makes us special.
it sounds like that human touch will always be important, even in a world with a lot more AI.
Absolutely. The future of events is about combining human creativity and AI innovation. That's how we create truly unforgettable experiences.
Well said. I'm so glad we did this deep dive. I'm feeling inspired and ready to explore all that AI can do for events.
That's fantastic. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep those creative juices flowing. The future is bright for events.
Thanks for joining us for this AI and events deep dive. We hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take your events to the next level.
And remember, the best events are those that combine the power of technology with the magic of human connection. So go out there, create amazing experiences, and let's shape the future of events together.